Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Sunday, June 28th, 2026 at 13:31, and today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. Before we get started, I would like to say that I am filling in for Johnny Thunder, EAS and Weather, as he is going to his cousin's show, so he's going to go see that. So I hope his cousin does well. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the Day 2 outlook. So tomorrow's outlook, we have a slight risk that encompasses central to eastern North Dakota, northern South Dakota, much of Minnesota, southeastern South Dakota as well, northeastern Nebraska, northwestern Iowa, and northwestern Wisconsin. We have a marginal risk that encompasses central North Dakota, northern to central South Dakota, northeastern to southern Nebraska, northern Kansas, central Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, and central Wisconsin. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So we have Minneapolis, St. Paul, Sioux Falls, Fargo, and Duluth under the slight, and Omaha, Lincoln, Rochester, Eau Claire, and Council Bluffs under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 5% tornado hatch risk that encompasses parts of eastern North Dakota and western Minnesota. We have a 2% that encompasses central to eastern North Dakota, much of Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, southeastern South Dakota, northwestern Iowa, and northeastern Nebraska. So we do have those areas as well under the 2%. So we have Grand Forks, Bemidji, and Grafton under the significant severe. Grand Forks, Bemidji, and Grafton are under the 5% also, and Omaha, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Sioux Falls, and Fargo under the 2%. So we could see, so for the 5% hatched area, we could see an EF1 tornado possible tomorrow, and 2% we could see an EF0, maybe an EF1 tornado possible tomorrow as well, so please be mindful of that. Going into the 15% for today, or tomorrow, or wind threat, I should say, we have a 15% that encompasses eastern to central North Dakota, northern South Dakota, much of Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, and southeastern South Dakota as well, northeastern Nebraska, and northwestern Iowa. We have a 5% that encompasses northern Kansas, northeastern to eastern Nebraska, central Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, central Wisconsin, going back through parts of central North Dakota, northern to eastern South Dakota. So we do have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. We have Minneapolis, St. Paul, Sioux Falls, Fargo, and Duluth under the 15%, and Omaha, Lincoln, Rochester, Eau Claire, and Council Bluffs under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of northern South Dakota, central to eastern North Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota. We have a 15% normal that encompasses southeastern North Dakota, much of Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, southeastern South Dakota, northwestern Iowa, and northeastern Nebraska. We have a 5% hatch that encompasses parts of northern South Dakota into southern North Dakota as well. And we have a 5% normal that encompasses central North Dakota, northern South Dakota, and eastern South Dakota as well, northeastern to southern Nebraska, northern Kansas, central Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, and central Wisconsin. So we do have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. We have Bismarck, Grand Forks, Aberdeen, Mandan, and Jamestown under the significant severe, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Sioux Falls, Fargo, and Duluth under the 15%, and Omaha, Lincoln, Rochester, Eau Claire, and Council Bluffs under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. 15% normal, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. 5% hatch, we could see 1 to 2.5 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. 5% normal, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says severe thunderstorms are possible from parts of the central and northern plains into the upper Midwest on Monday. Large hail and severe winds are the primary concerns, though a couple of tornadoes may also occur. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms do in the marginals. But of course, stay safe in the slight. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a good rest of your day, and I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.